Welcome to the Aero Engine instructional video series. In this episode, we will take a look at the A62S shielded ignition power unit. This unit features a Class 1 Division II control panel, explosion-proof starter and contactor, flame-proof alternator, and shielded ignition components. In addition, this package was configured with concealed batteries in an effort to reduce battery theft. The concealed batteries are dedicated to powering only the ignition and speed governing components. The starting circuit is completely isolated from the rest of the system. It is important to note that the starting circuit is a 12-volt system, whereas the ignition and speed governing system is a 24-volt system maintained by the 24-volt alternator. Before demonstrating the startup and shutdown sequence, let's take a look at the EEG 6500 digital governor and preset the gain, stability, rated speed target, and idle speed target. The quick set menu parameters are controlled by the A, B, and C buttons below the display. To adjust the value of a particular parameter, press and hold the corresponding button while using the up and down arrows to change the parameter value. To adjust the gain parameter value, press and hold the corresponding button below the gain parameter indicated on screen. While holding down the button, press the up and down arrows to adjust the value. Next, press and hold the corresponding button for the stability parameter. While holding down the button, press the up and down arrows to adjust the value. To cycle through the menu parameters, press any of the A, B, or C buttons. Now we will set the rated speed target by pressing and holding the corresponding button below the speed menu parameter. Small value changes are accomplished by quickly pressing and releasing the arrows. Large value changes can be accomplished more quickly by pressing and holding the arrow buttons. The final menu parameter we will adjust is the idle speed target. Press and hold the corresponding button below the idle menu parameter. Adjust the idle parameter value by pressing the up and down arrow to the desired idle speed target. The basic presets have now been established and the startup sequence is ready for demonstration. To start the A62S, simply connect the 12-volt supply to the starting circuit. Cycle the power switch to the on position. Press and hold the start button to start the engine. Remove the 12-volt supply from the starting circuit. To run the engine at the rated speed target, cycle the idle rated switch to the rated position. Here we can see that the engine is running at the rated speed target. To return the engine to the idle speed target, cycle the idle rated switch to the idle position. To indicate idle mode is active, the idle menu parameter can be seen blinking on screen. To shut down the engine, cycle the power switch to the off position. Additional information for the EEG 6500 digital governor can be found inside the door of the control panel for quick reference. Please note that during normal engine operation, the door should remain closed. Other items of note inside the control panel include an electrically reset tattletale located behind the instrument panel, which features a 30-second startup delay. To reset the tattletale after a shutdown, simply power cycle the system. A 10-amp circuit breaker, which provides protection for the 6500 governor. The 24-volt battery connection post, which can be used for voltage measurements and backup battery connection in the event that the concealed batteries have gone dead. And of course, the engine hour meter. The concealed battery compartment contains two compact 12-volt industrial batteries connected in series to provide the necessary 24-volt circuit. The battery compartment is located atop the flywheel housing at the rear of the engine. This concludes the Aero Engine instructional video for the A62S shielded ignition power unit. For additional support, please contact your Aero Engine company representative or call 1-800-331-3662. Be sure to visit our website at aeroengine.com for additional literature downloads or to explore other products and services offered by Aero Engine Company.